Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So this is the application called PC Manager that Microsoft has worked on it, and these days on the internet you can see that people are saying that it is the CCleaner of Microsoft, or you can say the alternative version of that. And I can see why people are saying that, because I have used the application and it is quite actually amazing. It is almost similar to the CCleaner, except that it is not going to clean the registry editor files and the other stuff. So as you can see, this is actually the details. Now if you click on boost, it's going to boost everything, but firstly let's go ahead and check on everything one by one. So there is the health checkup, there is the processes, and then there's the deep cleanup, and then there's the startup option. So as you can see, there are the same stuff are provided in the left panel. So if you go to the health checkup or health check, it's going to simply take a look using the deep scan of the Windows 11, or you can say that this cleanup with the basic version. So as you can see, it's going to show the Windows defaults. You can just simply click on restore that, or you can use the cleanup option to simply go ahead and clean the Windows update, the cache, the temporary files, the system trash, and the other details. As you can see, they are measured here. And finally, there is the startup option that you can simply go ahead and disable that if you wanted to. Following by that, it is showing you all of the processes. Now this is really an important thing. Now most of the time, if you go to the taskbar and take a look at that, the task manager, you are seeing a lot of the processes that are using your battery, using your RAM, and the other details. So as you can see, there is the CPU usage, the memory, the disk, the network, and you can enable other options if you need to. So as you can see, these are most of these services. Some of them we don't even understand what they are. So now the PC Manager, from here you can if you are seeing that they are using a lot of your RAM or the other details, you can just simply click on end, and it's going to end that detail. For instance, I am not using the widget app at all in the Windows 11. So as you can see, just click on end and it's going to end that just like that. So aside from that, there is the deep cleanup. Now deep cleanup is also, you can say, the system cleanup, which can be used to clean the system if you are running out of storage. Now deep cleanup is going to take a while. I have already run the application. As you can see, it's going to show you firstly the system cleanup, following by that it's going to show you the application cleanup, following by that it's going to show you the recycle bin clean, and then there's the web version, the caches, the other details. So if I have to click on details, you can see they are all restored inside the temporary folder that can be used to delete. So it is quite handy if you are really running out of storage. There's also the option of the memory file log and the other details. So finally, there is the startup option. You can see I have already disabled them, and a video is already on the channel, which you can go ahead and check them out yourself. So if you go to the protection section, firstly you can see that Microsoft has built their own application inside of it. So there is the virus and threat protection of the Windows security. There is the Windows update. You can just simply check them out. Aside from that, there is the browsing settings, which Microsoft is always trying to say to use. Go ahead and use the Microsoft Edge. There's the taskbar. You can see which option I have hidden from here. You can see there is the search option, and then there is the widget, which I do not use. You can always go ahead and restore the default version for everything that you have changed. And then there is the pop-up management. You can, if you wish, you can enable them if you want. So there is the storage option. You can see these are the downloaded files. And then there is also the option of to simply go ahead and scan for large files inside your computer that are taking a lot of storage. It is going to simply scan every bit of data inside your computer, and then it is going to show them to you. And if you are thinking that those data are useless, you can just simply go ahead and delete them. So in my case, you can see the largest file I have is called Linux, and then following by that I have the Chrome OS, and there is the setup of the Windows 11. There are the recorded option and other details, as you can see here. Now good thing is that you can just simply go ahead and select it by the option of the PDF or the other details. or the picture or the software or the compressed file, and then other details. There's also the duplicate option. So as you can see, if there are a lot of duplicate files inside your computer, you can you don't know where they are located, you can just simply use this tool to simply delete them. I have a lot of duplicate files, I don't even know where they are. I can just simply use this tool to delete them. Just wait a moment, because I have already seen the report, and again I'm going to wait for it to check the end result. Okay, in the meantime that is going to come, let's go ahead and check a look at the other details. So as you can see, storage chance is the same application that is implemented into the settings application of the Windows. There is also the apps. You can see the startup apps, the manage apps, the Microsoft Store, and then the other details. So anyway, these are the simple management tool of the PC Manager, and it is quite good and handy. And as you can see, Microsoft has tried their best to build their own apps, their own settings inside this application. So in the meantime, that is going to show the result. Let's go ahead and take a look at the CCleaner, the tech edition that I am using, or technician version. So as you can see, I have run the scan option. You can see firstly it's going to show you all of the cookies of the browser. So as you can see, Internet Explorer, there is the Edge, there is Opera, there is the Google Chrome, there is the Brave, and there is the browsing history. If you want to clean, you can just simply go ahead and clean them up. There is also the temporary internet files that you can go ahead and clean them up right away. Aside from that, there is the custom cleanup, which is quite handy, and unfortunately I don't think it's available inside the PC Manager, and there are a lot of details compared to the Microsoft Edge. Even though these are also application cookies or cache, or you can see the details, you can just simply go and select them and then clean them up yourself, just like that. And they are also pretty much simple. So application based, you can see there is the Photoshop, there is the Apple installed products, that the Discord. These are currently all of the installed applications inside my computer. So there's also the registry editor that can be, if there are, you can see there are issues, you can just simply go ahead, check them up, and then go ahead and clean them up right away. Unfortunately, the registry cleanup is not available within the PC Manager. Other than that, CCleaner has that implemented inside of it. So there is also the, okay, it's going to take a while to simply scan for the tools and the details. So as you can see, these are the duplicate files available. Now one of them is available in the desktop, the other one is located inside the drive D. I can just simply select one of them and then simply select permanently delete. This is as simple as that. This is quite a handy feature if you are using it on a daily basis. So as you can see, there are 312 registry addition, or you can say changes, that has been brought into the system. You can just simply go ahead and delete them. So as you can see, these are the applications that are installed inside the computer. You can just simply go ahead and install them, or repair them, or simply delete them. It's up to you. So as you can see, there are the software updates, the plugins, the disk analyzer, and the other details. So in general, if I have to put them together, which one is better, I think it is up to you. It is the use case that you need on the daily basis. However, if you are looking for a free version, I think PC Manager is a lot better compared to the CCleaner. Even though CCleaner has its own option, its own usages, they are also better compared to the Microsoft's PC Manager. So if you have used these two applications, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope that this video was helpful to you. For now, have a nice day and goodbye.